Good morning to everyone. I welcome you all in class 2 maths. Yes, this is the continuation of money chapter. Yes, students, whenever you are going to a shop or as your mom tell to us, bring your one pencil. So they'll give a 10 rupees to you. So bring a one pencil. So and return amount will be take. Okay. So she will send a daughter to a shop. Okay, the shopkeepers. It means you are go to the shop and so you will bring a one pencil and that one pencil price is rupees 5. Yes. So your mom gave how much rupees to you? So your mom gave a 10 rupee to you. Yes. So you will take one pencil and shopkeeper to give a amount, that return amount, there it is so that return amount he will give you, that is how much rupees he will give you. So he will give a 5 rupees. So in 10 rupees 5 rupees you buy one pencil and remaining 5 rupees he will bring and you give to your mom. Yes. So likewise you are going to a shop and bring a something for whatever it is, not only for pencils, something for materials you will be bring to a shop and return amount you will be collected and give to your parents. Yes. So likewise here. So and this addition or subtraction, so you will be doing mentally, because you know that is you can be give a 10 rupees to a shopkeeper, so he'll give a 5 rupees to you. Yes. So remaining 5 rupees he take by pencil amount he will be cutted and give a 5 rupees to you. That is we do that calculation in mind. Okay. Yes, we can call this one, then mentally we will do the calculation. Yes, see here students, mental addition and subtraction for a small amount of money. A small amount of money, mental addition and subtraction we'll see here. So first they can be given here. See this picture, they can be given here. Okay, in this picture, in first picture, mom, give me some money to buy chocolate. Daughter, like you will be go and ask to your mom. So what you will ask? So mom, give me some money to buy a chocolate. So ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ, ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ತೊಗೊಂಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಳೆ ಅವಳು ಅವರ ಅಮ್ಮನಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್, take this money and buy the chocolate. Your mom give you money to buy a chocolate. She will be collected one. So she is giving money to you. Okay. In third one, so how much money do you have now? So you have no amount. How much money you have now? How much is there with you money? So your mom is asking you. Okay. So you will tell, I have rupees 15 with me. It means I have already 15 rupees. So how many? 5 rupees? 3 are there. It may be a coins or it may be a notes. Okay, note. So 5 rupees is there. 15 rupees with that means I have 5 rupees, 5 rupees, 5. Totally I have 15 rupees. Yes. So I have rupees 15 with me. And you can go and bring the chocolate with. Okay. So she is go to the shop. Okay. So with his father. Okay. So uncle, shopkeeper, she is go and tell to uncle, what is the cost of one chocolate? You are also go to the shop and you will ask, no, what is the cost of one pencil? What is the cost of one eraser, sharpener? You will ask who that is. Like she is also went to the shop and she asked to the shopkeeper, so what is the cost of one pencil, uncle? She is asking. So the shopkeeper is tell you the cost of one chocolate is, okay, cost of one chocolate is how much? Rupees 4. Yes, the cost of one chocolate is rupees 4. He is tell to that girl. Okay. So next what happened? So uncle, give me 3 chocolates. So what she asking here? Uncle, give me 3 chocolates to me. How many chocolates she is collecting here? She is collecting 3 chocolates. Yes. So give me a 3 chocolate to me. Yeah. Yes. So uncle give a 3 chocolates to that girl. Yes. So take the change. Yes. How much means how much money she gave to the shopkeeper? She gave to a shopkeeper 15 rupees. She gave to the shopkeeper. Yes. So he given amount. That change is returned. So how much he gave the amount? How much he gave the amount? So in 15 rupees, she take 3 chocolates. The per chocolate amount is rupees 4. Like here, 3 chocolates she is take. So she give the 15 rupees to the shop owner and shopkeeper, and she returned amount. That change he'll return. How much money he can give to the girl? So here totally 4 rupees 1 chocolate she took. How much? 3. 3 fours are how much? 12. Yes? Yes. So, total amount is how much? Rupees 12. He cut it and give the rupees. How much changes? So, in 15, we will be minus how much rupees? 12 rupees. Yes. Return amount is how much? Rupees 3. He gave the change rupees 3. Yes. So, have you bought the chocolate? How much money is remaining with you? His mom is asking to, it means to mom. So his mom is asking, so how much chocolate he will take and how much money he will return. Yes, so she is telling here, yes ma'am, yes mom, 3 rupees remained with me. It means I took 3 chocolates. 1 chocolate is rupees 4. Like 3 I took, remained I have. It means I have money only 3 rupees. That remained amount is 3 rupees she'll tell. Okay. Like, so how much did she pay the shopkeeper? Yes, tell me students, how much money she pay the shopkeeper? She pay the shopkeeper rupees 12. Yes. Okay. Okay. See here students, they can be given here. So look at the arrangement of different notes and coins and then write the sum in the blank space provided. We'll see this one through our textbook. Okay. Okay students, see here they can be given here. Look at the arrangement of different notes and coins and then write the sum in the blank space provided. Okay, see here they can be given here some notes. Okay, first one they did here 2 rupees, they can given here 10 rupees, here 10 rupees. We add these 3 notes. Okay, so total rupees is how much? 10 rupee plus 10 rupees, 20 rupee. 20 rupee plus 2 rupees, how much? 22 rupees. So we'll write in the box. Okay, rupees 22. Yes, like here, second one we'll do here. 5 rupee coin, 5 rupee note, 10 rupee, 20 rupee. Okay, we'll add these all. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. 35 plus 5 is 40. Rupees 40. Yes, rupees 40. Next one, see they can be 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee note and 5 rupee note. Yes, okay. So first we will be add these two. 10 rupee note plus 5 rupee note, how much? 15. Yes, 15 rupee plus 5 rupee coin, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 plus 1, 23 rupees, 23. Yes. Okay. Third one, fourth one, sorry. So 20 rupees, 20 rupees, 10 rupee. 20 plus 20, 40. 40 plus 10, 50. Yes. Okay. Next one they can given here. See, 2 rupees, 1 rupee, 5 rupee, 20 and 10. Okay. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. 35 plus 2 is how much? 37. 30 plus 7 plus 1 is 38. Rupees 38. Yes, this all we will be add and write the values in the rupees in the boxes. Okay, we will do this one. Okay. Okay, here see students, color the notes, coins that you need to pay the given sums. Yes, so what we will do here, color the notes. So here see some of the what they can given here rupees they can be given here. So here notes and coins they can be given here. So what we will do, so here rupees 14 they can given here, no. So rupee 14 we will be add here in these notes and coins totally, and it will make, it means total amount it needs, it will make how much, rupees 14. Yes, we'll do know this one. Yes, see students, what we will do, we give the colors rupees, add and give the color rupees, so 14. Okay, so we'll write, we'll give the color rupees 10, we'll give color first 10 rupees. Okay, so after rupees 10 plus how much, 14 we need rupees 2 coins. Okay, rupees 2, then rupees 2. Yes, see here students, totally 10 rupee plus 2 rupee plus 2 rupees. Yes, how much now? Totally 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, total 14 rupees. Yes, okay. Next one they can be given here 23 rupees. So what we will do, we will see first 10 rupees will take, no? Yes, 10 rupee. Then next will give the color 10 plus 10, 5 rupees coin will take. Okay, 5 rupees. 10 plus 5 how much, 15, 15 plus 5 rupee notes. Okay, 5 rupee note. 10 plus 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 20, 20 plus 3, 2 rupee. Okay, and 1 rupee. Yes, so totally 23, 10 rupees, 15 rupees, 20 rupees, 22 rupees, 23 rupees. Yes, understood this one, how to do? Yes. Next one, we go to the 35 rupees. Yes, 35 rupees. No, first we'll give the color 10 rupee. Okay, 10 rupee will take, then 10 rupee note will take first, after 20 rupee will take 20 plus 10 is how much, 30. Yes, 30, again we'll add 5 rupee note. Okay, so totally how much, 35 rupees. Understood this one? Okay, next one we are going. Next one 50 rupees, no? Yes, 50 rupees. First I'll give the color 20. We take 20 rupees. Then next one 10 rupee. Okay. Next one 10 rupee again. 40 rupees over 45. Yes, 5 rupees will take. Yes, remaining will take coins. Okay, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, then next 2 rupee coin. Total see 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So these 5 rupees, 5, 10 rupee, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 20, 50. Yes, understood now how to give the color here? Okay. Here see students, next they can be given here by looking at the pictures and money given, add the money first and then circle the amount by selecting the notes and the coins given beside. Okay, so here see students, some of the pictures they can be given here and their prices also they can be given here. So we'll do these addition and they can be given here notes, how much rupees it means it's a prices, so that much we will be circle the rupees. Okay, so first one, an example I'll show you. So it's a ball amount is how much, rupees 10, and bat amount is rupees 30. Okay, 30 rupees plus 10 rupees, so it's a total amount is 40 rupees. Add these to 40 rupees now. So here some notes they can be given here. So 20 rupees, 10 rupees, 10 rupees they can be circled here. Yes, 10 plus 20, 30, 30 plus 10, 40. So 40 rupees they can be circled, mentioning. Okay, next one they can be given here color pencils. So it's here pen price is rupees 5 and color pencil price is how much, rupees 20. So we'll write 20. So sorry, 20. Okay, so this 2 and this 0 and rupees 5. Okay, so 0 plus 5 is 5, 2 as it is. Total how much rupees it's completed here? Totally 20 rupees, 25 rupees. Okay, so here 25 rupees, no. So here we will be, what we will do? We will circle 20 rupees and we circled 5 rupees. 20 plus 5 is 25 rupees. Okay, next one, here see, chocolate, its value is 2 and its value is, that notepad, its value is how much? 12 rupees. Okay, we will mention here 12 rupees plus 2 rupees. 2 plus 2 is how much? 4. So 1, alright. Total amount is how much? It's 14. So we circled 14 rupees. 5 rupees plus 5 rupees plus 2 rupees plus 1 rupees and plus 1 rupees. 5 plus 5 is 10, 10, 12, 13, 14. Understood? No? We circle like. Next one they can be given here, that's cup value is 10 rupee and the ruler value is 5 rupees. Okay, so 10 rupee plus 5 rupee. Okay, total how much its value? 15. These things value is 15. Okay, so we circle the rupees here. 1, 5 rupees, 5 rupees and 2 rupees, 2 rupees and 1 rupees. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 1 is how much? Okay, see students, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13, 13 plus 2 is 15. Yes, its value is how much? 15. Yes, understood now how to do this one? Okay. Yes. See here students, they can be given here. Next one, by looking at the pictures and the money tag, fill up the blanks as given in the example. Yes, they can be given here some of the examples. Yes, so here purchased articles here, so write here, see, purchased article, purchased article, okay, here purchased articles, here money. Okay, money you have, so you have how many amount you have. Okay, money you spent, money you spent. So here money which is left with you, money which is left with you. Yes, so here see students, we can understanding, they can be given here examples. First one they can be given here banana, so its price is, rupees 2. Okay, and grapes they can be given here, so fruits. Okay, so this price, here rupees 5. Yes, here see students, totally you have how much amount is there? Totally you have rupees 10. Okay, 10 is amount, that amount with you, but you purchased here 2 rupees banana, 1 banana you can give, that is amount is 2 rupees, and here you can take grapes, that's amount is 5 rupees. Okay, we add this amount, 5 plus 2 how much? 7. So it means 7 rupees you will be purchased. Yes, so how much you spent here? So you spent rupees 7. Yes, so here in the 10 rupees you spent rupees 7. So remaining how much you left? It means how much amount with you? It means left amount is, so here see 10, we will be subtract 7. So 10 rupees, we purchased 7 rupees, remaining we have 3 rupees. Yes, understood this one? Okay, second one example they can given here, that is one of the bangle they can given here. So the bangle amount is 5 rupees. Okay, necklace they can be given here. Okay, so its amount is, how much its amount? Rupees 20. Yes, so amount with you, how much amount with you? Here rupees 30 with you. Okay, so here see 20 rupees for necklace and bangle for rupees 5. So add these two, 20 plus 5. Okay, so add these two amounts, so totally 25 rupees. Yes, so you spent rupees 25. Yes, so in the 25, you know, that is in the 30 rupees, so you spent rupees 25. Yes, so remaining how many amounts with you? So will be subtract rupees 30 to 25. So left amount is rupees 5. Yes, okay. Next one, they can be given here car. So its amount is, car amount is rupees, that is kids playing, okay, playing car. So its amount is rupees 40, they can given here. Okay, its amount is 40. So it means how many amount with you? You have amount rupees 50 you have. Okay, so here see students, in the 50, so you purchased rupees 40. Yes, left amount is how much? Rupees 10 left amount. Yes, sorry, that is the purchased amount. No, here spent amount here will write. Okay, spent amount is how much? Rupees 20, rupees 40 spent amount. Okay, so here 50 minus 40, so remaining amount is 10 rupees. How much amount with you? 10 rupee. Okay. Next one, they can be given here ice cream. Okay, so ice cream amount is here, how much they can be given here? One of the ice cream is 10 rupee. Okay, another one small ice cream is 5 rupees. So you have amount rupees 25. Okay, so rupees 25 you have. So here see 10 plus 5, add these two. 10 plus 5 is how much? 15. Yes, it means you have spent rupees 15. Okay, so here see, it means 25 rupees with you, you spent, it means you purchased rupees 15. Remaining how many amount with you? So left amount is rupees 10. Yes, understood this one? Okay, so next one they can be given here. Another one example. So that is the one of the activity. So that activity, see here, set up a small shop in the class with the different items with the part, means price tags to them. It means if it is you are in the class, this activity will do. But nowadays it means, so we are teach here online classes, no. But here see, you will be doing, or otherwise will be seen when you will come to the school, no. So we will see that time. So then one will be the, it means all the students are sit in the class. It means all the students are do here different activities, means different items you will be bring from home. It means that amount, it means we will be give the tags, amount, price tags to each items, we will be sell them. Okay, here see, so buyers, totally buyers having how many amount they have? So totally they have a 30 rupees amount. Okay, so many items you will be bring. So each of them to buy two items. Okay, one person, as a one person to buy a two amounts, but he has how much amount he has? 30 rupees he has. Okay, so for example they can be given here. Some of the items they can given here: necklace rupees 10, bangle rupees 5, ice cream 5 rupees, lollipop 8 rupees, cap rupees 12, mango rupees 6, then note rupees 12, kite rupees 3, and flower rupees 1. They can be mentioned here. Yes, so totally you have how much amount? Rupees 30. Okay, so all the take two items. Okay, yes, see here. Yes, so for example items I'll write here. So these are the items. Spent amount, it means money spent. Here money left. Okay, so first one here mango Here mango and cap they can be given here, mango and cap. So its amount is, I'll write here, mango amount is rupees 6, cap amount is rupees 12. Add these two. Okay, so here, so 8 plus 1, total amount is 18. How many amounts with you? Totally 30 rupees. Yes, 30 minus rupees 18. How much amount left with you? Totally 12 rupees. Yes, understood this one. Next one, kite and notebook. Okay, note and kite. So here notebook value is rupees 12 plus kite value is rupees 3. Okay, so its amount, spent amount is how much? 15 rupees. You have rupees 30. It means each person purchased 2 items. Okay, so minus 15. So remaining amount is how much? 15 rupees. Yes. Okay, another one example we'll see. That is, they can give here necklace. So necklace and chocolate. Okay, or else lollipop, whatever you can take. So its price is here, necklace price is 10 rupee and chocolate price is 8 rupees. So total amount is 18 rupees. Okay, so amount with you 30 minus 18, so left amount is 12. Understood this one? Yes. So another one is they see here, that is yes, that is first one, bangle is there here, bangle, and another one flower. Okay, so bangle rate is how much? 5 rupees. Flower rate is 1 rupee. 5 plus 1 is how much? 6. How many amount you have? 30 minus 6. Total amount is 24. Yes. So this is what we can understanding. This is the lesson. So how much money, it's a value of money. Yes, so how to spend the money, how means we are adding and subtract problems, so in a mind. So mentally we do the problems. Yes, understood this lesson? Yes. So I hope you understood this lesson. Tomorrow we'll continue. That is the, we'll start a new lesson. Thank you.